On Sunday, September 24, 2017, an Italian Air Force Eurofighter F-2000A Typhoon belonging to the Reparto Sperimentale Volo, test wing, has crashed into the sea at Terracina, 76 kilometers south of Rome. Based on the several videos that have already emerged on social media, the pilot Captain Gabriele Orlandi, for unknown reasons, was unable to recover the aircraft at the end of a looping and didn't attempt to eject from the jet. This is the second deadly crash of a Typhoon in little less than 2 weeks. A RSAF Typhoon combat aircraft involved in a mission against Houthi fighters over Yemen crashed into a mountain in Al Wayday district on September 13, 2017.